shall we war against the defaults and the bananas. No one is going to stop us because we are fishy. And also, you know I'm not taking you can obviously see. But yeah, this is the Tacky Wacky Only Challenge. Super fishy. And if you want me to do a part 2, please tell me. And also, my name is Mr. Fit. You want to know who's under this helmet? A fishy. Not in the actual movie, but in Fortnite, a fishy's under the helmet. We got Baby Yoda. We got all right, so there's people. We're just doing some duo fills. Yeah, bro. You didn't say what the. All right, we're going in. So somebody's probably gonna mark. You know what? I'll just mark. There. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy, fishy, fishy to be. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy, fishy, fishy to be. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy. Coronavirus. Haters always say it's fake. Coronavirus. When somebody that had drugs says coronavirus. Coronavirus. Oh yes, Tacky Wacky right off the bat. And it's blue, perfect. Tacky Wacky only challenge. Alright. You got a blue Tacky Wacky to start. I think I see a default. And we also have to kill defaults. That kid could pickaxe me. Like that kid could pickaxe me. I salute. I'm not gonna kill you though. RIP, and also it's a default. I'm gonna finish him. Oh, frick. Somebody save me. No! Oh, I must go. Wait. Come on. Save me. least I got a kill. I got that. I got that. Save me. No. The fishy died. I died. Is somebody gonna go and save me? Somebody come and save me. Please come and save the. Wait, I think he's going to the. He's going. He's going. Yo, if he gives me my blue tacky, if he gives me a tacky wacky, I have to drop the pistol. No, I have to literally drop that pistol. If he gives me any other gun, I can't use it, boys. I can only use tackies. Tacky only. Oh, he's going in silent. He's going in like hidden. No, somebody just rebooted. Yeah, tag him. No, get the kid. Get the other kid. Yeah, get him. Yeah, finish him. Yeah, let's go, boy. Dude, they're so mad. They're so mad right now, I bet. The fishy got a plan. Finish him. No, finish. Finish the defaults. Okay, A, kill him. Kill him right now. Yeah. Feel the fishy power. Ooh, dude, this guy's good. Did somebody get my root? Okay, yeah, they got me right boot. That's not what I wanted to see. Okay, now I need one of you guys to reboot me, and I will grab my tack. Somebody took my tack. Who took my tack? You took my tack, bro. That kid literally just took my tacky. Somebody go reboot me. Somebody reboot. Rebit me. Okay, thank you, default. Thank you, default teammate. Oh wait, I just realized what's gonna happen, guys. I can mention that. I can't use pistols. I need my tack. I need a tack. And the stupid man, though, took my tack. So now I don't have any tack. I need a tack. Somebody give me a tack. I'm going in. This better be worth it. Got him. And no tag shotgun. I just need a tag. You guys can't hear me because my thing is really low and good quality. I need a tag. Tacky wacky. I have a tack. Wait, is that a green tack? Is that a... Yes, a green tack. Let's go. I have 40 shotty shells. Yo. I got shots. I might hit everyone. I might knock. Bro, I got attack. I got attack once again. I'm going in. Got him. Oh, let me go. I need to get him. Dude, shooting a shotgun that far is not gonna damage him. There we go. We got a bunch. We will die. What is the default doing? Okay. Yo. I'm hitting in the book. Okay. Yeah, that person definitely doesn't like memes. Alright, please tell me they added back sand tunneling. I don't like this. Yeah. Just sliding down the mannequin. You know, I'll just do this. We need a boat. I can't use any exotics. I can only use fudging wood. You got wood. You got wood, mate. Can you eat a fishy? Yes. Keeping this fill up all game, I'm not gonna eat it. Or the thing he was trying to give me a fill up. Yo everyone, I have a tacky wacky, and I'm a fishy, and that's a fishy. Keeping this tack all game. Only weapon I can use. Tack. God, I'm using my inventory. Tack shotgun. Tack shotgun. Mando. Look, I'm allowed to use a sniper. It doesn't do that much damage. Oh. I mean, it does a lot, but, I mean, also, it's kind of bad a little. Res. Please, I don't want to die again. Res me. Come with a fishy, brother. Res me. Res me. Yes. I'm not eating the fill up. I am not eating this fill up. Oh, better tacky. I'm gonna win. Alright. I'm doing tap shotgun only. Oh yeah, I forgot. Walked right up in his face and bodied him. I give my salute. I give my salute, everyone. I give my salute. I am no toxic. I am not toxic, everyone. You can't call me toxic. I'm gonna meta. I'm medding. Guys, this is funny. These. What? A duo. Oh my god, dude. One kid's left. Okay, we got this. We got this. Oh, he sees him. Oh no, that was just builds. Just builds. If we win automatically randomly, either the kid left or he died to storm. Either one. I'm guessing he died to storm. Let me find my email. Stop. Wait, actually? Perfect. Alright, everyone, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!